Hello, welcome. You all are taking a quiz. Well, I'm going to show you how to solve for slope when given a graph and when given 2 points. So in a graph like this, if I'm to look at this graph, I can tell just looking at it that it's going to have a negative slope. I know that because the graph is, if I'm reading from left to right, the graph is going at a decrease, and a decreasing angle. So that's a negative slope. And so then I'm now going to do rise over run, but because it's decreasing, the rise is almost a fall. So I go 1, 2. So my top rise is a 2. And my run is a 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going down, so it's negative. That is your slope. Now simplified, that would be -1/2. But both of these it's the same value, so that is good. Over here, this slope is a positive slope. You see that the slope is increasing. So it's going to be positive. So now I'm going to do rise, starting here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's my rise, 7. Now my run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my slope is a positive 7/5. When I come down here, we're using the formula y sub 2, which is just telling you it's a y. It is not multiplying by 2. Minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So it doesn't matter which point I assign to the sub 2s or the sub 1s. It doesn't matter as long as I stay consistent. So I'm going to do this one first. 8 minus 6. So that y minus that y over, I started with this one, so I'm going to start with this one. -14 minus 19. That's going to be a 2. Change the sign, change the sign. That's going to be a negative. It doesn't matter where I put the negative, but as long as the fraction is negative. 14 minus 19 is going to be 33. So this right here will be the negative slope. And what I did here is integer rules. When they're the same sign, you add them, and it's negative. So that is how you solve for slope.